Yes, hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have my cousin, Aya. Aya. Today we're going to the squishy there. Her squishy is I Bloom Peach. It's kind of like a butt. So we're going to cover it in slime, purple slime, like this, neon purple, and okay, let's do it because it's really sticky. She really wants to do it, and I'm sorry. Let me try it for a while. Okay, okay, let's do it. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Aya. I'm so sorry. Say goodbye. It's just sticking to my hand. It won't budge. What are you gonna do? You want to do it? So sticky. See? Sticking! We need a glove for this. Ew. It's going to be really sticky, but it's when we're going to ask him. Yeah. Aston? Sheraton. So sticky like you. And this is so like you. So sticky. Yucky. Yeah. And I'm just gonna do this. Oh my god, it's really like a fondue. Ah, it's always sticking to my hand. It won't cover. It won't cover. Your mother is not going to be mad? No. Seriously? Yes. I had to do squishy dares, but I hadn't posted. And ta-da! And ta-da, guys! Oh my gosh! Like a real buff. Oh my god! Oh my dang! Now I'm a fashionable slime. Oh, I can use any slime for this. So sticky like a ball, like this. I'm sorry, guys. Oh yeah, she had an Instagram, so follow her on the Instagram. You already know because I said it twice. Sorry, I said it twice. Oh my god, this is so gross. We have to cover it all. But why is it so hard? Too big. So hard. This so baby butt is too big. You said a baby butt. Baby butt. It's a bottom. Bikini bottom. Hey guys. Look, ew. It's just like a poop. Look at inside of it. Ew. Ew. Don't do that to our vlog. Okay, my beautiful mowers today. Never mind. I'll do it in the other video. On the next video or whatever we're going to do. Let's just cover this up. Wash it. It's so big. Big fat bottom. Bikini bottom. Oh my god, it's so gooey, so icky, gooey or something. Ew, I hate it. You had some acrylic paint? No. Seriously? Yeah. You're never going to do a DIY without acrylic. I have, but only a neon. And it's only one. Look at these. So sticky. Why is it sticking to my hand? Oh yeah, guys, if you want to see my other cousins, go to Alicia Purnama, and then you guys have to subscribe. If you subscribe me, you gotta subscribe her. And because we're a team. The team of whatever. I don't know what it's called. A team. Oh my god, it's just like a real jumbo melon slime. It's sticking to your skirt here a little bit.
Where is it? No way, no way.
It's just a little bit.
But it sticks to my bed.
Your bed? I'm so sorry.
I don't care.
You didn't even sleep here. You didn't even sleep here.
These slimy film just like.
Oh my
gosh. Duh.
Oh yeah, I'm going to see Miranda sings.
Look at these.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hey, we're not done yet.
Ew, it's sticky on my hands. Oh no, more stickier. Hey, why my slime is sticky? What am I doing?
And let's just do this, this,
And this.
It's like so kawaii. Ah, it's sticking to my foot. Dang. Eesh. So here it is, guys. Hope you can subscribe. Make sure you see my other videos. If you watch this, you gotta watch mine. So I hope you can subscribe. And yeah, see you on my next
Hashtag
vlog.
this is a challenge.
Hashtag challenge. Hashtag follow my Instagram. And hashtag so. See you guys later. Okay.
Bye.